Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. It is just Emily today with E Squared. Erin is not here. So we are going to dive into talking all about senior girl poses in a field setting. So we're gonna actually take you behind the scenes at an actual session from last summer to show you all of the different poses that we would do with a senior girl in a field. And don't forget that every Monday morning we come out with brand new videos just for you. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos so you can get your hands on all of the new videos that we create. So we know that when we first started out as photographers, one of the big things we wanted to see was behind the scenes footage at sessions. That was just huge to us to be able to see that footage of other photographers, to see how they interacted, how they posed, what they said, all of that kind of stuff. And that is why we created this video for you today. And we promise by the end of this video, you are going to walk away with some new poses to try in a field with a senior girl. So let's dive in.
Okay, oh, sorry, hold on. I gotta get myself shaded better. Okay, can you actually back up a little bit? That might be helpful for me. Yeah, start about there. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Yes, and look away and smile. And back here. Oh my gosh, so cute. Go back. That is so cute. Okay, now kind of do a soft smile as you're walking and do your same little swishy swish. Okay, go ahead and look away. And now let out a giggle towards your mom. Oh, I love it. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna be obnoxious. Okay, I love it. That's really cute. Okay, now let's do a walking away one. So you're gonna start here, and then when you turn this time, you're gonna hold the brim of your hat. Okay, let me get positioned. Okay, so start walking away and turn. Yes. Okay, let's do it one more time. So come back a little ways. Okay, start walking away. Yes, and turn. Yes! Oh my gosh. That's not even funny. Okay, now you're gonna stand like right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold both sides of your dress and you're gonna hold it out and you're gonna just go like this and knock your knees in and just smile at me to start. I wanna see, I might be, actually scooch this way just a little. There's like big divots out here full of water. Okay. Okay, let me get positioned because I really wanna get sun. Scooch this way with me a little bit. Where are you? Okay, ready? Yep. Go ahead. Swish, swish, swish. Even more dramatic. Yes. Now kind of giggle away as you're doing it. And back here. And now do a soft smile. Yes. Oh, that's cute. Perfect. Okay, now I think scooch this way a little bit. And point your toes this way. Yeah, I will. And then pop your knee closest to me. And then with your backhand, I think you're gonna hold your hat. And then this hand actually just drop down and then do a little, yes, okay. I know, it looks so good on her. Oh, that place is awesome. Okay. I'm gonna turn my camera on, that'd be good. Okay, yeah, oh, where are you? Oh, this is pretty. What, Erin? No, this is perfect. I'm moving myself. Okay, hold on. I gotta try to figure this out. Okay, there we go. Oh, and do a soft smile. And now let out a giggle kind of back this way, I think. Yes, I gotta get a full body. Can you scooch just a little bit this way? I'm getting a little bit too much haze. There we go. Okay, same pose. Yes. And soft smile, and then giggle away. Oh my gosh, you're way too good at this. Okay, let's do the one where your toes are pointed like that direction and you're peeking back at me, like pretending like you're playing with a ring. So keep your feet together and pop your knee closest to me. Yep. Oh, and your curls look so pretty right now too. Oh yeah, your highlight color is so pretty. Okay. Yes. I love this. Ooh. Where are you? There you go. Oh goodness, that's so pretty. And relax your shoulders so you don't look cold. And then with your hands, you look kind of cold, so just kind of like go like this, like you're, yes, okay. You're not cold, you're warm. Okay. Soft smile, and then giggle that way. Yes, I want to get a full body of this. This is so pretty. Okay, look here again, and a soft smile. Okay, perfect. Okay, take the hat off. I'm gonna have you actually pose with the hat walking, and then we'll get rid of it. So you're gonna just, the biggest thing when you walk with a hat is to keep it so I see the top and I don't see the inside of it. Do you know what I mean? So you're just gonna do your normal walk like this, and I wanna just see the inside of it. Maybe with your other hand, well, you might have to play with hair. Yeah, we'll see, okay. All right.
Feels like December. I know, I have goosebumps.
Yeah. Is your dance is inside, I'm guessing? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that would not be good. Okay, ready? Go ahead and look away and back here. Ooh, that's cute. Let's do it one more time.
Prom last year in Rice Lake, they did it at the pumpkin patch. So it was in the spring, but I don't think it was very nice out.
Okay, so let's do a soft smile. So go ahead and look away and back. That's perfect. Okay. Yeah, comb through it. Okay. We'll throw this out.
Maybe a sitting.
Yeah, I am going to do a sitting one because I think this is going to be really pretty. Actually, come out to here. Is it really wet? Oh, it is wet. Let's have her set on the reflector.
If it will hide it.
Yeah, let's see if you'll hide it. Because I'm going to shoot.
My shoe fell off when I stepped down. I was like, woo.
Yeah. Let's have you sit on this. Because I think I'm going to shoot where I'm hoping.
Actually, her dress and legs might cover up.
Yeah. Okay, so sit. Yeah, like that's actually perfect how you're sitting. And then you're just going to rest your hands in your lap almost like that. Yep. And then just do a little head tilt for me. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I see a teensy bit of the reflector on this side. Can you scooch that way just a little bit? There you go. That's perfect. Yeah, stop being so little. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Do a soft smile for me. And now play up in your hair. Yes. And a soft smile again. Oh, love that. Okay, that's good. Okay, stand up. And let's do, you can just leave that there. Okay, come back here and point your toes this way and throw, which way is gonna work to do this? Actually, point yours the other way. And keep all your hair back like that. And you're gonna pop your knee and you're gonna grab your elbow and like drape your, yes. You're really good at this pose. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm all tangled. There we go. I have to show, don't let me forget to show her a picture of Lauren. Okay?
I looked her up.
Did you, Lauren? Don't you look like her?
I mean, kind of.
I think you do. I think it's the blonde hair and curls and stuff too. Yeah. Oh, and a soft smile. Oh.
She has brown hair.
No, she's dyeing it back. I think it's your soft smile face that looks like her. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I know everything. Okay, and look this way and kind of giggle. Yes. Okay, hold on. Actually, I'm gonna come really close. And do it like really dramatic, lean towards me. Like even more. Yes. That's pretty. Okay. Now, face me. Are you freezing? Yeah. Okay. Face me and cross at your ankles and go back so I see like a little triangle. And then, no, never mind. Hand on hip, hand high on hip, and then bring a foot out and then pop your, yep. And then just, you have really muscular legs. Holy cow.
She does.
Carrie Underwood.
Yeah.
Goodness. Okay.
Red is your
They look.
color.
Yeah. Her legs look like mine, Erin.
You know, I think
'Kay.
blondes though look good in red.
Oh, that's pretty. Yes, I like this a lot. And do a soft smile for me.
Maybe your prom dress.
And look away and soft smile. Oh, and big smile too. Okay. Now, cross at your ankles.
So your dress is like a light purple. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, pretty. Okay, let's do this. Playing with the ring thing and then a head tilt. Yeah. I'm gonna actually do a close up here too. Oh, that's pretty. And do a soft smile. Okay, I want to pull back. Yes. Yes, I love it. Okay, but that's okay. Okay, so you're going to actually, you know, like the karaoke, like warm up drill?
Yeah.
You're gonna kind of do that, and you're gonna hold your dress here, and you're gonna look back towards me. So maybe flip your hair back for this so it doesn't get all wild. Let's see. Yes, okay. Let me get positioned here in this pile of mud. Okay, ready? I'm not, hold on. Okay, ready? Where are you? Okay, ready and go. Yes, that's cute. And kind of jog even a little bit more, like bounce.
Yeah, do it again and then like bounce into it so your hair kind of bounces, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Yes, that's perfect. Yes, okay, that's good.
All right, so comment below and let us know what is one thing that stuck out to you here that is something you are going to look into trying at your next senior session. Leave a comment below for us so we know what you're thinking of trying. Now, if you want more behind the scenes footage like this video where we sit and break down all of the pieces, why we're doing certain things, we do have a behind the scenes course all on senior photography, where we dive into different sessions, full sessions from start to end, and we break each session down. We talk about lighting and how we're posing and why we're using this location. And then we also show you our editing of those images as well. And then there's also some fun bonus videos. So if you're interested in looking into that, make sure to look in the video description here to find that out. You have to click, if you're watching on your iPhone or your cell phone, you have to click the little down arrow by the video title in order to get to that. In addition to that, we have something just for you. So we have a free senior posing guide in the description below that you can go ahead and grab and have that to help guide you at your next senior session. So make sure to check that out. And if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see more videos just like this one. And if you don't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at e2photography for more behind the scenes footage of us at sessions and just to interact with us as well. We hope to see you next week.